Dealing with a garage door that won't close can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry or it's late at night. Here in Houston, Texas, your garage door is essential for security, convenience, and protection from the elements. Today, we're going to explore some common reasons why your garage door might not close and provide you with troubleshooting tips to get it back in working order. A garage door that won't close can stem from various issues, from simple obstructions to more complex mechanical problems. Identifying the root cause is the first step toward resolving the issue. Let's look at the most common reasons your garage door won't close. First, check for obstructions. Modern garage doors have sensors to detect obstacles. Make sure there's nothing blocking the door's path. Inspect the area around the bottom of the door and remove any objects, debris, or dirt that might be in the way. Next, check the sensors. These photo eye sensors must be properly aligned and cleaned to function correctly. Ensure the sensors are facing each other directly. If they're misaligned, gently adjust them. Also, wipe away any dirt or debris from the sensor lenses. Remote control issues can also prevent your garage door from closing. Check and replace the batteries if necessary. If that doesn't work, you may need to reprogram the remote. Refer to your garage door opener's manual for instructions. A malfunctioning garage door opener could be the culprit as well. Try resetting the opener by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. If you see any visible damage, it might be time to call a professional. Broken springs or cables can also cause issues. Look for any broken or frayed springs and cables. These parts are under high tension and can be dangerous, so contact a professional if you notice any damage. While many issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting, some problems require professional expertise. If you're experiencing persistent problems, visible damage, or unusual noises, it's time to call Easy Garage Door Repair. To avoid future problems, regular maintenance is essential. Lubricate moving parts, inspect and tighten hardware, test the balance, and keep the tracks and sensors clean. At Easy Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you with all your garage door needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice.